I'm learning data analytics from scratch. No hype, no shortcuts. Just a transparent journey through data and understanding. If you're a beginner, overwhelmed by too many roadmaps, or tired of unrealistic learn in 30 days promises, this channel is for you. I choose data analytics because it's less about memorizing tools and more about understanding problems, asking the right questions, and making sense of data. So let me show you how I am planning to learn this. To keep everything structured, I am using a simple learning log in Notion. This is a basic template right now, but I will be keep expanding it as I learn, adding resources, notes, and links only after I've actually used them. The plan is divided in four simple phases. The first one is foundation, understanding what data analytics actually is before touching any tools. Second, core tools like SQL, Excel, and basic statistics, but always with context. The third one, programming and visualization, mainly Python and learning how to communicate insights clearly. And the final, most important one, practice and reflection. We will be solving problems, revisiting concepts, and explaining what I learned. If you want to follow this journey, you can save this learning log. I will keep it updated with quick links and references as I move forward. On this channel, I will be teaching what I learn slowly and honestly. I am not claiming expertise, and if something's wrong, we will correct it together. And obviously, this isn't a motivation channel or a productivity flex. It's a simple learning log focused on understanding and a transparent journey through data. So, welcome to the learning log, Data and Beyond. Let this be a fun journey together.